Founded in 2006, Barefoot Pellet is nestled in the scenic endless mountains of northern Pennsylvania in the town of Troy. This is where Barefoot Flooring and Cummings Lumber is also located. Cummings & Son Lumber Company was founded in 1929 by Lee William Cummings and has expanded into a hardwood flooring and hardwood pellet business. These businesses are now being run by Roy Cummings and his son Scott, the third and fourth generation to the hardwood industry. At Barefoot Pellet, we utilize sawdust and wood chips from a variety of hardwood species from the renewable and sustainable forests of Pennsylvania and New York. These species include cherry, maple, red oak, hickory, walnut, and white oak. A portion of our raw materials come from the waste product at our hardwood flooring and lumber mill. We utilize every bit of the tree so that nothing is wasted. Here is where we store our green sawdust and chips before they are sent to the dryer and heated and then sent to the dried sawdust pit. This is our storage for our kiln-dried sawdust. One of the newest additions to the plant is the walking floor. Sawdust can be loaded directly into the new pit and is carried to the elevator by the walking floor. The walking floor is run by pistons in a forward and backward motion and moves the dust towards the back of the pit to the elevator. The elevator carries the dry sawdust to the hammer mills, which pound the raw material into a consistent dust. The elevator carries the dust to either this silo or to these pellet mills. These are the mills that produce the pellets. The sawdust is pushed through a die to produce this compressed wood pellet. From these pellet mills, the pellet is transferred to a cooling tower for the pellet to cool down from their 200-degree temperature before they are sent to the bagging area. Once the pellets have cooled down, they go through a machine called a shaker. The shaker discards the pellets that don't meet our specifications, like overall length. Once the pellets have passed through the shaker, they proceed to one of the two storage silos awaiting the bagging process. This area is where the pellets are brought from the storage silos and dropped down into the bagging silo and bagged for sale. This is the bagging process for our finished product. The bags come on a roll and are fed into the machine, where each bag is filled, weighed, and sealed. They then proceed down the conveyor to our automated stacking machine. Each 40-pound bag is carefully placed on a pallet with 5 bags per tier and 10 tiers high for a total of 50 bags per pellet. Once filled, the pellet proceeds down the line where it comes to a stop and a cover bag is placed over the pellets. Our cover bags are some of the thickest on the market, which protects our pellets from the elements, including rain, snow, and UV rays. The pellets are then shrink wrapped with plastic to hold the cover bag on and offer even more protection for our finished product. Our pellets are independently tested and consistently meet the standards for super premium pellets. We have superior low ash content, below 0.5%, due to the quality of the hardwood raw material used. Barefoot pellets are extremely efficient in terms of low emissions, clean burning, and high heat. This is the finished product. Barefoot Pellet just celebrated their 10th anniversary in the year 2016. We would like to thank the community and our pellet dealers who have supported us throughout the years. Without all of you, this would not have been possible.